Hello YouTube, this is Frank from Happy Coder, and today in this video I'm doing a product review of the Basenor Tesla Model 3 and Model Y GPS holder. And the reason why I'm considering doing a review is because we all know that the built-in navigation system of Tesla isn't very good. My biggest problem with the default Tesla navigation is that it doesn't offer you multiple alternative routes. So sometimes, let's say that you're going from downtown to suburb and it's the rush hour and there's a lot of traffic on the highway. The default route is always going to be going through the highway, and it doesn't allow you to have the option to drive locally. So for me, as somebody who hates being stuck in traffic, it's a deal breaker. And as a driver, I recommend you to use the free Waze app. It's a great navigation app. It allows you to toggle multiple different options, such as not going on tolled highways or selecting from a variety of different alternative routes. So you have the option of using the local roads instead of highway. So we have professed the problem, we understand the problem, and we have a potential solution, which is to use the Waze app on your cell phone. The next step is to select a phone holder for your Tesla so that you can use your navigation app of your choice for your daily drive. And the product that I'm reviewing today is the Basenor GPS/phone holder for Model S and Model Y. This thing goes for $40 on Amazon. Now let's do a quick overview of the product. In my opinion, the pros are very evident. It's very self-evident. It requires zero to no assembly. It doesn't even come with an instruction manual, so you know how easy it is to put it together and snap it onto your wide touchscreen. And for $40, it gets the job done. It even comes with a very spacious sunglasses holder, so you can put your sunglasses in the tray to save some space in your cup holders. But in my opinion, the downside of this product is also very evident. So if you take a look at the product, you can see that this thing is fixed. This thing is not adjustable. So that means that your phone is always going to be in this position. And that poses a variety of different problems. First of all, you're going to have these two touch screens right in your face, and it's as if that being a Tesla owner is not, you're not getting distracted enough. There's a lot of distraction. And second of all, this thing, if you have a tall cell phone, it's kind of in your blind spot. So I noticed when I was driving with it, subconsciously, because of this thing is in my vision, I tend to not be able to stay in the middle of my lane. And that's something that could potentially be fixed by just getting used to it, by driving with this thing in this position for a while. But in my opinion, this is a missed opportunity. If this thing is adjustable so that your phone can be in this general area, kind of overlapping the wide touch screen a little bit, it'll be perfect. Because first of all, I don't interact with this corner of the touch screen that much when I'm driving. And I mean, the whole point of having the central touch screen is to free as much real estate on your dashboard as possible so that you can drive undistracted. So in my opinion, if the phone holder could place the cell phone somewhere here, that would be ideal. But other than that, if you're someone who, like me, really dislike the built-in navigation system of Tesla and would like to use either Google Map or Waze on your cell phone, $40 is a pretty good deal. But like I said, there's some shortcomings, like the positioning of your phone. But if you can overlook it, I recommend this product. And it's a shame that Tesla doesn't allow you to select different alternative routes or allow you to integrate your Google CarPlay. That would be so much easier. We don't have time to wait for Tesla to have the simple problem fixed. Sometimes we just have to come up with our own solution. So that's the video. I hope you found it to be informative, and I will see all of you in the next video. Bye bye.